4 ways to exponentially increase sales with Facebook Messenger and your Media One Sheet. My name is Miko and I am a Facebook Messenger QR code specialist. So what is relationship marketing? Basically, relationship marketing is building a relationship with others. So you have to get to know, like, and trust a person, and you can do that easily on Facebook Messenger. And where is your audience? Your audience is on Facebook, especially now with this pandemic going out. People are more on their devices than ever before. And just know that there are 1.3 billion people who are using Facebook Messenger, and that number has most likely dramatically already increased. So how can you do this? Well, there are 4 ways. 1, you want to generate leads, build subscribers, continue the conversation, and then, of course, drive sales and grow. So the one way you can do this is with a simple QR code. In the past, QR codes were kind of lame. You couldn't really do anything with it. But now you can scan a QR code and it can take you to Facebook Messenger, grab information from your subscriber, and you can start that conversation to develop that know, like, and trust. This is an example. You can have a lead magnet. And on the lead magnet, you could put a QR code. You can build subscribers. And much like an email list, you can talk to the people, get to know them. And with Facebook Messenger, there are no fake accounts. There are no fake email accounts because everything's coming from Facebook. And then this is how you can get your subscribers. This is how it's built inside Facebook Messenger. This is one of my good friends, Mary Catherine Johnson, and this is how she builds her funnels. And the third way is to regularly engage in conversations. Why exactly? Build that relationship. And fourth, the easiest thing to do is to drive sales. You can link directly to a sales page, link directly to your webinar. You can accept payments in Messenger. I mean, the possibilities are truly endless. So these are the 4 steps: generate leads, build subscribers, regularly engage, and then drive sales. So with the Media One Sheet, I had my Media One Sheet done, and I'm like, how can I make this more interactive? So I put a QR code on there, and that QR code links directly to Facebook Messenger, and a person can learn more about me and what I do, and I can establish that know, like, and trust instead of the old Media One Sheet where it's just static and no one really wants to read all this information about you. So that's what I do. I'm a Facebook Messenger QR code specialist, and I will do this for you in Facebook Messenger. And right now it's $397 times 3 payments. So it's $306 savings discount. And basically just go to MediaOneSheet.com. You will see the old Media One Sheet where it says as featured in, which is just static. And then you go to the QR code where you can actually generate interest and engagement. So if you're interested, MediaOneSheet.com. See you there.